How to turn off all your apps running on your iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, long press on the bottom of the screen and swipe up. You can now view all the open applications on your phone. Swipe to view and explore all the app previews. If you want to close any app from here, then swipe up on the app preview to close it as shown. You can also use multiple fingers to swipe up on multiple app previews simultaneously to close them faster. Alternatively, go back and open up the Settings app. Scroll down and go to General. From here, tap on Background App Refresh. Go to Background App Refresh again. And then, select Off from the options. Turning off apps may help preserve battery life. Following these steps, you can easily turn off all your apps running on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.